Welcome to the wild side of the animal kingdom, where logic goes to die. First up, we've got a cat who thinks he's Spider-Man, until gravity reminds him he's not. Next, a dog chasing its tail like it owes him money. And this bird, he's been dancing for 3 hours straight. We think he might be in a loop. Oh, and here's a raccoon breaking into a convenience store, because snacks wait for no one. Meanwhile, a goat just screamed like it saw its ex. This isn't National Geographic, it's National Ridiculous. Like and follow.